Hey guys, so I'm back with a Arts Next challenge video slash first impressions. So here I'm using the Lumicolor triangular scale, and I really didn't use it except to do a frame for my drawing. But I did like that it's really light, and so it's not going to add any weight to my art bag, I guess. And here I am using the marker that I got, and I got the color pale green, and surprisingly it's a lot brighter than I thought. I noticed that it bleeds a lot. Like, it won't bleed onto the next page, but it bleeds on the back of the page quite a bit. And I'm still very unfamiliar with using markers. As you can see, it's really streaky, and I tried working fast to avoid that, but apparently I wasn't working fast enough. But it is very nice on top of the Alvin pencil, and I did go ahead and use a light table to sketch out where the shading would be on the monster. I'm just doing a little bit of like a crosshatch method to do the shading. It's kind of messy, but it's the best way I can do shading because I didn't really experiment with blending it out too much. I just thought it'd be easier to do crosshatch. And the pencil is actually really smooth, and it's super easy to handle and sketch with. It's nice with the twin marker, and it's not hard on the paper at all. I was a little worried that because of the build of the tip, I thought it was going to be really harsh, but it was actually really nice. It's just like any other lead pencil, but it's a lot lighter, and it feels really good in your hands. Like, I would definitely use this as an everyday pencil. And so this is a voiceover, so I want to go ahead and talk about the real brush marker that I got. And I got the color beige, and I don't end up using it till the end, but I really like how it is a real brush tip. I didn't understand what it was until I actually used it and I saw the tip. It spreads like actual brush bristles, so it's really cool. And it doesn't bleed if you apply it before the marker. It's very blendable, like watercolor, which I love. And it maintains its shape, like the tip, very well. I end up not using it before the marker, obviously, but I did do like test thumbnails, and I tested it before and after the marker, and it works better if you put it before the marker. But obviously I didn't do that. You'll end up seeing how I used it at the end. Overall, this Arts Next box is pretty cool. I now have 3 shades of dual tip markers of green. Like, they're all different shades of green, so that's nice. And I really enjoyed the pencil a lot. I didn't get to use the eraser because I was a little worried that I'd break it off. I tend to be a little rough with my eraser, so I ended up just using a kneaded eraser, and the kneaded eraser ended up taking pencil markings off pretty nicely, because I did mess up with the cross hatching a few times. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching me finish up this monster, and I'll see you guys with my next video, which will be the October Arts Next unboxing video. Bye!